It's Caribbean E. Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's just having a wonderful day and you're enjoying yourself in quarantine, or if you have to work, I definitely understand it. Go do your job, be safe. But welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's just having a wonderful day and everything is going your way. Today I want to come just with a quick update on the currency in the Dominican Republic. It is now 54. It is now 54 to your $1 American dollar. Like I always told you on the channel, I'm going to keep you guys posted so you will know what the currency is as you come and your money extends and grows legs more and more as the interest rate changes. So again, the currency today in the Dominican Republic, even in the midst of the coronavirus, it is over 54, okay? Over 54 to your pesos to your $1 American dollar. Also, as far as the corona deaths and what's happening in the Dominican Republic, so effective today, we've had 51 deaths, okay? 51 deaths we have, and we've seen, I seen a little clip on the phone from where they was taking the body quick. They buried the body quick. They're doing it in one day, just about. They're putting the body in the coffin and burying the body quick and just get it done with. Family have to view it from a distance, and you know how all that kind of stuff goes because they're doing the same thing in the Matrix. And also we had 1,109 deaths so far from coronavirus. Correction. We've had 1,109 cases, okay? We only had 51 deaths, thank God. But we got 1,109 cases of the coronavirus here in the Dominican Republic. So I want you guys to be safe. This video was just an update to let you guys know the currency, okay? If you know anything about the currency, you'll figure that out fast. And there's an app also, it says currency. You can download the app. It'll tell you how the currency is in every country. Even the currency have changed in Colombia, off the chain. You can live like a trillionaire in Colombia. You can live, I'm telling you, man, you can live like Donald Trump on steroids. You go to Colombia and your $1 American dollar will go far as you ever thought it would go, okay? So, again, I hope everybody's staying safe. Hope you guys having a good day. And, hey, we just gotta wait till the storm passes over. I believe that it will in due time. It will pass over as the season changes. And just watch out for each other. Find positive stuff to do. Don't kill each other, because some people can't stand each other. They'll be in the same house this long of a time. But I know some people are doing their early spring cleaning, and you just gotta be very, very careful. Make sure you wash your hands. Keep your mask handy. I had to go to the store yesterday, and I waited in 2 lines. I had to go pick Carlo, and that line was about 45 minutes to an hour, because we're doing social distances out here in the Dominican Republic, about 4 feet from one another. And also I went to another store, food store, and it took me an hour and a half just to get to the front door, and I finally went in to the store. So they're really taking this thing serious here in the Dominican Republic. I don't know if you guys are doing the same thing, but if you do, holler back, reach back, hit me in the remarks column, okay? But just keep it cool, keep it nice, keep it smooth, and hopefully we'll get through this in a fast and rapid way. So, like I was saying on the channel, in the meantime, between the time, life to be enjoyed. Hit that subscription, social media, and again, I welcome all of our new subscribers. Hang in there, we got some good information for you. In the next few days, I'm gonna give you some old videos, flash from the past, past from the flash from the past videos, showing you guys where we've been, the countries we've been so far, things that we did, the restaurants, and just kind of keep you guys abreast so we catch you guys up, because I got a bunch of videos in the archives that I haven't uploaded yet. So since we're in quarantine, I'm gonna get them videos out and just show them to you so you can see what we've done, so you can see what we have seen. So have a wonderful day, stay safe. Remember, life to be enjoyed We'll see you on the next video. Peace.